there, my name is Brendan DeYoung. I'm a mechanical engineer with Vectis Automation. We're here at FABTECH 2025 debuting our new slide linear range extender. At Vectis, we value solutions that are flexible, robust, and simple to use, and the slide's a great addition to that philosophy. The way it works is it's basically a linear track section that's manually actuated, and you can move your system along a path. Come in 2-meter lengths and they're expandable up to around 50 feet. This version here is the Park and Arc slide. So this is the same diving board you'll see on our Park and Arc products that allows you to pivot the robot 360 degrees. But in addition to that, we have a version that's compatible with our Rover platform, which allows you to dock the skid, run it along your slide, undock it, put it back on your cart. So this will really help customers with their long reach applications as well as multi-zone. We're excited about it. Come see us this week if you're still at FABTECH, or give us a call and you can learn more about it.